Shenzhen Oli Technology Cooperation Limited was established in 2008. Otravel is our brand name, which is a collection of professional research and development, design, mold injection, manufacture, screen printing, sale, after-sale, all-in-one travel adapter manufacturer located in Shenzhen, China. Our main products are universal travel adapters, USB chargers, car chargers, travel sockets, universal power adapters, and other electronic products. They are approved security certifications such as CE, ROHS, FCC, SAA, CTICK, ETL, CB, KC, IEC, and etc. We export to the US, Netherlands, Germany, Spain, France, UK, Australia, Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong, and South America for the past 12 years. Most travel adapters in the world market are made by Otravel. OEM, ODM services, customized design are available. Lead time only need 15 days after order confirmed. We have more than 300 employees and 5 production lines. Usually monthly capacity 300,000 pieces. We have perfect quality control systems at Otravel, factory approved by ISO 9001-2008, BSCI SCS. Our travel adapters are widely used as business gifts, promotional gifts, hotel gifts, and going abroad electronic accessories, as well as travel accessories. We continue to innovate and provide high-quality products and services to the world. Otravel is a good reputation brand product. Please feel free to inquire with us at any time so we can help.